that I remember from being a fucking kid. No, dead serious.
Oh yeah.
Like I remember that fucking shit. I remember the fucking bananas or whatever the fuck they are that he's picking up. I remember the fucking berries. Like this shit was crazy as a kid. I was so fucking into this. It's not even funny. And like the grass, that shit looked realistic as a kid. How is he walking fucking through it?
What a beautiful day in my neighborhood.
It's a ground, not a neighborhood. How big is that fucking acorn? Go somewhere, do something. Let's skip ahead a little bit. It's 22 minutes. 22 minutes. Come on, let's. Oh my God! The giant berry! Look at it! Look at it!
Life of an ant.
That thing's fucking great. Oh, I remember fucking hating this game. No, fuck that thing.
What a beautiful day in my neighborhood.
Shut up.
Stop saying that.
Shut up. What the fuck? Ew.